Okay, we are at the Anuga Foodtec 2018, and I'm in the Ecolean stand, and I'm meeting Peter L Nilsson, who is the CEO of the company. Peter, this is the third day of the exhibition. How has it been so far for you?
I can say that I have been at many Anugas, both in Ecolean and with other companies, but I must say that this is probably the most successful one that we have had. Usually the beginning of the first day can be quite slow. We had visitors in the stand after 10 minutes, and then it has been full speed ever since.
Could it be a special reason for that? Is that because that you're much more well known those days, creating greater interest from the audience?
I think that's one of the main reasons. We see a lot of existing customers coming who want to increase the cooperation, discussing new launches, additional filling machines, new products to pack, new packaging sizes that could be interesting. So a lot of old customers, good customers are here. But also I think the success that we have in many of our existing markets is attracting a lot of attention from brand owners on a global level. And they're here as well.
And on this show you have two machines with you, and they are both sort of new, or at least with new capacity.
We want to launch something new every time at Anuga. The first Anuga I made for Ecolean was in 2009. Then we launched our septic portfolio, the 1 liter pack, the EL3 machine. Following Anuga it was a portion pack, the so-called EL4, capacity of 9,000 packs per hour. The following Anuga we increased the capacity on that machine from 9 to 12,000 packs. And this time we have a new portion pack machine again. You could say it's a development of our existing machine. So now it's a so-called EL6 that we launched, and the capacity has been increased by 50%, so up to 18,000 packs per hour. On top of that, for the chill segment, we have a completely new machine, the EL2 Plus, where we have doubled the capacity from 6,000 packs per hour to 12,000 packs per hour. So both of those machines are some of our customers, of course, knew that they were coming, so most big series have been ordered already.
But is this the speed? Is it enough now, or do you need to increase the speed even more in the future?
I think we need to increase the speed even more. I don't believe in making giant leaps, even though you must say this time plus 50%, plus 100% is huge. But I believe in making frequent increases. So next time at Anuga, probably something even faster will be on the market.
That's interesting. But you also have another new thing here in the stand. That's called the Environmental Product Declaration. What is that, and why do you have it, and how unique are you with this?
The so-called EPDs, I think we are very unique. To our knowledge, we are the only company in our industry who are actually publishing EPDs on both the filling machines and the material. So basically, it's a way to communicate sustainability, cradle to gate, both for the machines and for the packaging material. We want to be completely transparent on sustainability, so that brand owners and consumers know exactly what they get when they buy something from Ecolean. Too many companies, too many parties in our industry, actually also journalists, that tend to make a very complex issue into a simple one. Focusing only on recycling, focusing only on certain packaging materials instead of focusing on the totality, as we do. And I think that's the way ahead. I think consumers in the future will demand this type of information, and we are the first.
Have you got any response from consumers, from brand owners for this already?
Brand owners are very curious and very interested. We have a special station here at Anuga displaying this, and that has been extremely active all the time. They are also asking us why our competitors are not publishing the same data. And of course, we don't have the answers for that. They will have to ask our competitors.
Interesting. Another thing, okay, we talked about the machinery and the new machines, but actually what's happening with the packaging itself? It's easy to forget. I mean, the one part of the secret is, of course, the intelligent packaging. What is happening there right now?
New sizes. We have launched the 125, so 125 milliliter pack in Asia mainly. That's growing incredibly fast. And also we can see that the interest for our transparent pack is increasing. So we have a number of launches coming in Asia right now. 4 of our existing customers in China will launch this during the spring.
And if you look at your company on a global basis, how is the what does the expansion look like? Where do you have your biggest market is in Asia, as far as I know, but what is happening in the rest of the world?
biggest markets are in Asia still, but we are expanding globally. First machines in the Americas will come this year. So 2018 will probably be the breakthrough for Ecolean in the Americas, North and South. We see an increasing interest in Europe as well. We have made a big launch in Germany and Austria during the year, and that has attracted attention from, I would say, almost all of the big dairy companies in Europe, and also other companies. But as you say, the main focus has been on Asia. We have opened up a number of new sales offices, and the demand out there is incredible. We have again expanded the production capacity in our Chinese factory to be able to cope with the demand, and we need to do it again soon.
So when I listen to you, it sounds like the Ecolean is doing very well right now.
We are doing very well. We are following our strategic plan. And I think over the next few years you will see continuous strong sales growth from us all over the world.
But then, Peter, thank you for the interview, and I hope I see you here again in 3 years with even faster machines. And
absolutely, I think that this is becoming a very good tradition to follow up on, and I hope I can brief you on some interesting news also in 2021.